Down with Dr. Eshoo. Take 1.
My name is Daniel and I'm in 2nd grade.
My name is Luciana and I'm in 1st grade.
Welcome to the show.
We hope you enjoy it.
Hi, Luciana. I'm Dr. Eshoo. Hi, I'm Dr. Eshoo.
My name is Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. It's nice to meet you. I'm excited to talk to you.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is the color of your bow. It's red.
And
I love red.
what do you have any favorite sport teams?
Yes, I have many favorite sports teams. But just be prepared, they're all from California because I'm from California. So I'm watching a lot of basketball right now, and my favorite sports team since I was younger than you has been the Golden State Warriors. Most of my life they have not been very good, but now they're the best team in the NBA, so I'm very excited about that. Let's see, baseball, San Francisco Giants, football, Oakland Raiders, and then my college team really is Stanford.
What song do you like the most?
What song do I like the most? Let's see. Actually, this morning, I was listening to the song Happy, which is true. I really was listening to the song Happy. That's one of my favorite songs. I can't stand still or sit still when I'm listening to that song. Do you know that song? I sound dorky when I sing it, but when I'm singing along with it and I can't hear myself sing, I sound great.
What do you like to eat?
I love cheese. I love every kind of cheese. I'm trying to think right now if I've ever tasted a cheese that I really didn't like, and I don't think I have. I think I like just about every cheese. I actually really love vegetables. I don't know. Do you like vegetables?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, what's a good vegetable for you?
Broccoli.
I like broccoli.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the show.
Good night.